guys, Jeff Ryan here, just having some fun with a orange bug. That's a tough one I've had since, that's probably like 12, 13 years old when I got this. Rode my bike up to the hobby store and got this and a couple of the slot cars. I love the bugs, I truly do. But when I was running around the track this morning, here's what happened. And I know this happened when I was a kid because I remember doing it now. Look at the back bumper, it fell off, And I'm not sure what kind of glue I got going on there. I'm going to try to get that off, but I did recover the other part of the back bumper there. So I started looking at it, I'm going, damn thing's filthy. Damn thing's filthy. You know, it really needs a bath. So we're going to have to address that too. And I know Aurora had some fun with this bug. They have like 2 different number 2s on the side there and whatnot with the stripes as well. So we're going to get into that in just a bit. Tell you what, just for fun, before I get into the bug there, the contest, guys, the hint here for which 4 cars are in the envelope, which 4 cars in the envelope. The hints were 2 of them are in the same case. So 2 of the cars that are in the envelope, they're in the same case. Which case is it? We don't know, but that's a hell of a hint right there. And 2 of them are the same make and model, but not the same color. You get it? So it's like there's a Corvette that's green, there's a Corvette that's yellow. They're the same make and model, but not the same color. Now what was fun is the amount of guesses you guys gave me from last week to now. It was just absolute blast. All right, very good. Just starting to get the chassis off the body here. And I really don't know what glue I used back, you know, when you're a kid to try to glue the bumper on. And I had no idea how it broke. And it is filthy on the inside. It is filthy on the inside. Yeah, I can tell that is glued on. And look at that, we got a cracked screw post here. Man, okay, we can do better. Let me do this. I'm gonna run under some hot water, see if I can get that back bumper off. That might do it, or maybe some warm salt water. All right, very good. I got it run under the warm water, cleaned it up real good, and we still have to address that back screw post. It's got that crack in it, so we're gonna have to address that. I got a new bumper kit there for it. Boy, it looks good. Look at the back one. That just was awful. And under the warm water, the glue just kind of softened up to where I could get everything undone. I also have to grab the Alumilite for the back bumper. Let me go ahead and get that. We should get that started. All right, we're going to address the screw post there. This is what I use. I use the Alumilite, the casting resin, part A, part B. You use the same amount of each. I put the same amount in either of the end cups, and I pour them both into the center cup. And when you read the directions there, it says it's got a 2-minute work time and a 30-minute setup time. What I did just a second ago is I've got, you see the screw post there? I've got a piece of tape around the crack there. I don't want the Alumilite to come flooding out. So I've got one of the pipettes. I'm going to use the fat end there to stir it, and then the skinny one, just a drop or 2 into that screw post, and that should mend it from the inside out. I just took the pipette out of there and I filled it up real good. This is there's the 2 cups that I use. This is going to be drying here, and when it dries, it's like, instead of that tannish brown, it's more of like a cream color when it dries. Yeah, okay, I tell you what, some of the pipette's already drying. You can see some of it's wet, some of it's drying already. So it's going to take, again, 2-minute work time, which we had plenty of time to stir it, and it'll take 30 minutes to dry up and set. Now when it sets, when it's dry, it's solid. You can drill it, you can sand it, you can paint it. It is absolutely wonderful. Okay, I know it's been over 30 minutes. You wouldn't believe how hard this stuff is. It is just extremely hard. Looks like it's set in the screw post. Let me get the tape off and we'll see how we do. Okay, boy, this stuff is hard. There's the tape residuals. I got them off. I'm going to go ahead and drill a little hole there in the back screw post and see if we can get some threads on that and get the screw in. All right, what I did is I drilled out that back screw post there, and I've started getting it threaded. A little finger tighten, not too much after that. Again, you go tight, you go loose, you go tight, you go loose. Only takes, pardon me, a couple minutes, and I should be able to thread it. All right, very good. I've dry fitted the back bumper, so to speak, and it fits very well. I'm gonna go, sorry about that. I'm gonna finish the putting it together on the chassis. Let me show you what I got as soon as I get it done. Oh my God, I just got the body on the chassis. It looks great. Look at that, look at that, look at that, look at that. Look at the bumpers. Oh my gosh, looks fantastic, doesn't it? Looks absolutely sweet. I love it. I love it. So that's, you know, again, probably 12, 13 years old, riding my bike up to the hobby shop to get something like this. And I remember I grabbed 3 of them. One of them I made into a rail. This one I tried to keep as original as possible. The third one, I don't recall. I may have not done so good on the rail, you know, like I'm making a rail buggy. So I don't know about the third one, but I just love this. Now that it's restored, it's gonna have a lot more track time. All right, guys, I had a ball restoring this bike here. I've had that since, again, I was like 12 or 13. I just love it now. It's gonna have a lot of track time. To my point here, we're going to get to this envelope and find out which cars are in here. I haven't opened this or touched this. Well, I've touched it, but I haven't opened or messed with it since last week, guys. Let's see what we get. And I tell you what, there was you guys had hit 2 of the cars, just nailed it. Now the hints were 2 of them are in the same case. Let me point over here. It's this case, guys. It's this case. It says over here, 2 of them are in the same make and not the same color here. So we have one over here, the Mako Shark, the Mako Shark over here, the turquoise. They're not the same color. So that's 2 of them pointed out. The one over here is the Camaro, the Mako Shark, the other Mako Shark, and then back to this one, we have the Ford GT. So guys, you came very close, and I had a ball. I had a ball doing this. Oh, sorry there, just a sec. My wife is too funny. She just said, "You didn't show them on the red thing, on the post-it." There's the list, guys. There is the list. My list of slot cars: the blue Mako, the yellow Camaro, the turquoise Mako, and the Ford White GT. She was absolutely right. I was so excited to show you which cars they were. I didn't show you the orange in there. So listen, the blue Mako, the yellow Camaro, the turquoise Mako, and then the white Ford GT are all going to go up on eBay unless somebody makes me an offer in the next couple days. I think each chassis is worth at least 25, the bodies at least 20 each. If anybody wants me to make a fair offer, I will accept the fair offer first, but do it in a hurry because in the next couple days, the Mako, the Camaro, the other Mako, and then the Ford GT, which all run real well, are going to be going up on eBay. And the only reason they're going up on eBay, guys, is you know this. Here we go. You guys know that I love the ones that don't have any factory accents, right? The blue and the turquoise and the white cars there, they're all Aurora, but they're either cigar box or Speedline. The Camaro there, the yellow Camaro, it was a kit car, so that is the reason why all 4 of these are going to go up on eBay. Again, if somebody wants to make me a fair offer, let me know, guys. Let me know. But in the next couple of days, these are going to be going up on eBay. All right. I am glad you guys had played as much as you did. I had a ball all week answering your emails, telling you, hey, you're close, you're not close, or whatever. But thanks for playing, guys. Let me know if you need anything. See ya.